So this is a cacao fruit, and we've already cut it. So inside, this white part is the fruit. You can actually eat this. In a lot of tropical countries where this grows, people do eat this. And even some of the guys that I work with were telling me how they discard the beans from inside. And the beans from inside is what we all know and love as chocolate. So inside that white part, you'll see there's the bean. And that's where chocolate comes from. So they have to ferment these white fruits that have the seeds inside, and then they get those seeds out. The husks of those can be made into a cocoa tea. You can find it online, they sell it. It's not as rich as hot chocolate, and it's not exactly a tea either. It's kind of in the middle and has a little bit of a chocolate flavor, but it's really light. Then that bean in the middle gets roasted and ground, and then it gets sugar added to it, and it gets cocoa butter added to it. And depending on how much percentage, 100% dark chocolate or 90 or 80 or whatever the percentage, depends on how much cocoa butter and how much sugar, and if they add milk to it or not for milk chocolate. But it's just really interesting to see where chocolate comes from.